everyone! Wow, this week seems to be the joyful for Huawei P30 series device owners in Europe as they are started getting stable EMUI 12 updates. It's the third day of the week and the third device from the P30 lineup started receiving the EMUI 12 firmware. In the latest edition, Huawei P30 standard variant is installing the latest EMUI 12 update with build number 12.0.0.132. As expected, this update holds a massive download size of 4.5 GB. Last week, Huawei has initially released the stable EMUI 12 for P30 series models. Since then, the update is gradually expanding to the different markets in order to cover all P30 phones. The rollout came into effect through the OTA medium, so don't ignore them. According to the changelog, Huawei EMUI 12 brings a new user interface that provides a feel like Harmony OS, font adjustment tools for better visibility, a separate control panel with device press feature, quick access switches and more. You can check the complete changelog on the screen. To download the update, you need to open the settings, then System and Updates, followed by Software Updates. From here, tap on Check for Updates and let the phone get the latest update for you. Now, download and install it. That's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.